Hi, sociologists. I hope you're having a good Sunday morning. Just wanted to check in with you and send you a little message about what's happening. This is the last day to finish up on family, and so I guess you're doing that. It looks like you guys are doing that. I just finished your gender posts, and I thought they were very powerful. Just a little tidbit to the people that post that haven't read. If I notice that it doesn't reflect the reading, I'm not going to give you points for it, so just keep that in mind because you got to read. Just saying. So anyways, we're moving into social movements and social change, which is probably a nice way to finish a class because you've learned about all this stuff. Now, how does that have applications in the real world? And so this is the last module of content. You're going to have 2 weeks to kind of close out and write the final and do all that stuff. And so, but you are going to have to do 2 posts next week. You're going to talk about social movements and social change, and then you're going to reflect back on a chapter. And this is a great way to, especially if you missed a chapter for some reason, you missed a post or whatever, this is a good time to go back and look at it because the final is going to be all content from the midterm forward. And so you can bet that every chapter that we covered will have a question in the final. And all of my questions kind of relate to the posts. So if you're able to recall the posts, that'll help you prepare for the final. So that's that. Social movements and social change are near and dear to my heart because I feel like it's fine to just talk about stuff, but it's also important to do stuff about it. So think about what it is this class has taught you. What, if anything, has made you angry or interested in changing, and then maybe think about what your place in that could be. What could you do to be an agent of change? All right, lots to consider, and I look forward to checking in with you on the family in the forums soon.